Hello?
Freeze! Nobody move! Put your verbs where I can see them.
Good morning, Jack. Nice outfit.
Ma'am, I heard you speaking in the hallway. You said, "Who are you talking to?"
Yes?
Gasp! That is a violation. You ended a sentence with a preposition. The correct phrase is, "To whom are you speaking?" You are under arrest for murdering the English language.
Jack, sit down. You look like a disco ball.
I cannot sit down, ma'am. I am the chief of the grammar police. My job is to ensure that no student ever makes a mistake again. If you forget an S on a third-person singular verb, I will find you. If you use the wrong tense, I will cuff you.
And how is that working for you, Officer Jack? Are you fluent yet?
No, I am terrified. I am afraid to open my mouth because I might break a rule. I've been silent for 3 days.
That is what I thought. You are not protecting the language, Jack. You are imprisoning yourself.
But if I make a mistake, people would think I am stupid.
Break the rules? But is that legal?
In my classroom, it is mandatory. Welcome to Day 6.
Welcome back to Mr. English Learners. I'm Helen.
And I'm Jack, and I feel naked without my badge.
Today, we're tackling the #1 reason why students quit English. It isn't vocabulary, it isn't accent, it is the fear of grammar.
I know this fear. It feels like a math test in my brain every time I speak.
Exactly. I call this the silent statue syndrome.
Jack, walk me through your brain when you try to say a sentence. Let's say you want to tell me, "I went to the beach yesterday." Okay, step 1, I think of the concept, beach. Step 2, I select the subject, I. Step 3, I hit the verb wall. Is it go? No, past tense. Goed? No, irregular. Went. Okay. Step 4, preposition panic. To the beach, at the beach, on the beach. Step 5, article check. A beach, the beach, specific or general. Step 6, I open my mouth.
And how long did that take?
About 5 seconds.
In a conversation, 5 seconds is an eternity. By the time you say, "I went," the other person has already ordered a pizza and left.
This is why I just say, "I'm fine," and run away. The processing speed is too slow.
You are treating English like a Sudoku puzzle. You want to solve it perfectly before you show it to anyone. But English isn't a puzzle. It's a tennis match.
A tennis match?
Yes. If the ball comes, you hit it. You don't stop to calculate the wind speed and the angle of the racket. You just swing. If it goes out, it goes out. But you have to swing.
So I've been holding the racket, calculating the physics while the ball hits me in the face?
Exactly.
But Helen, if I stop calculating, won't I sound like a caveman? Won't I sound broken?
You might, but let me ask you a question. Imagine you're building a house. You have 2 materials, bricks and paint. Bricks are vocabulary, the words dog, eat, house, run.
Okay.
I want a beautiful painted house. Imagine student A. He buys 5,000 buckets of paint. He has the best paint in the world. He knows every shade of grammar, but he has 0 bricks. Can he build a house?
No, he just has a colorful puddle on the grass. You can't live in a puddle.
Now imagine student B. She buys 5,000 bricks. She has 0 paint. She stacks the bricks up. It looks ugly. It's rough. It's gray. Can she live in it?
Yes, it has walls, it has a roof, it protects her from the rain.
Vocabulary is the house. Paint is the paint. Jack, you are trying to paint the air. You are obsessed with the decoration, but you haven't built the walls yet.
Wow, that hurts. I'm a homeless painter.
Build the ugly house first. Get the meaning across. Yesterday, beach, go, swim, fun. Is that good grammar?
No, it's terrible.
Is it a house?
Yes, I understand exactly what happened. You went to the beach and had fun.
Mission accomplished. You communicated. Later, when you're rich with words, we can buy some paint and make it, I went to the beach. But not yet.
I love the ugly house theory, but can we test it?
Let's play caveman versus professor. I will give you a crisis scenario. You have to save your life. Round 1, you must act as Professor Posh. Perfect grammar only. Round 2, you must act as Caveman Jack. Vocabulary only.
I'm ready. My life is in your hands.
You are in a hotel. You smell smoke. You run to the reception. Go.
Excuse me, my good man. I apologize for the interruption, but whilst I was slumbering in my quarters, I detected a rather pungent aroma of combustion. Would it be presumptuous to inquire if the edifice is currently engulfed in flames?
Acts as receptionist, staring at nails. Sorry, sir, I didn't catch that clause about the combustion.
Panicked. The fire is... I am dead.
You died. You died because your grammar was too perfect. Same scenario, go.
Fire, hot, run, smoke, upstairs, run now.
Oh my God, evacuate, call 911.
Paused. I survived?
You survived. You saved everyone.
But I sounded like a gorilla.
You sounded effective. This is the lesson, Jack. In the real world, clarity greater than rules. When you're in a business meeting, when you're ordering food, when you're making friends, nobody cares about your past perfect continuous. They care about your idea.
I feel like I've been carrying a heavy backpack of textbooks for 5 years, and you just cut the straps.
Let it drop, Jack. Run free. To celebrate your freedom, we are going to visit the grammar graveyard.
Spooky.
We are going to take some strict rules that teachers taught you, and we are going to bury them, because native speakers break them every day.
Oh, I have a list. Can I bury the rule about double negatives?
Go ahead. Textbook rule. I don't have nothing is wrong. You must say, I don't have anything.
Real life, if you listen to rap, pop music, or cool Americans, they say, I ain't got nothing.
It sounds so cool. I know nothing about that.
Buried. Next rule.
Future tense with will versus going to. My teacher said will is for spontaneous decisions and going to is for plans. I stress about this every day.
Bury it deep. Native speakers use them interchangeably constantly. I'ma call them, or I'll call them. Nobody cares. If you say, I will fly to Paris next year, even though it's a plan, nobody will stop you at the airport and say, turn the plane around. He used the wrong auxiliary verb.
That is a funny image. Grammar customs control.
And the biggest one, ending a sentence with a preposition. Teacher, with whom are you going? Real life? Who are you going with?
Who are you going with feels so much more natural. R.I.P. strict grammar. You served us well in exams, but you are not welcome in conversation.
Helen, this is fun, but I have a serious question. If I stop studying grammar, will I ever become advanced? I don't want to be a caveman forever.
That is a great fear. Let me tell you the story of Paul and Bella. This is a true story from my teaching years.
I love stories.
Paul was a perfectionist. He was an engineer. He wanted to understand English like a machine. He studied 4 hours a day. He memorized the dictionary. But in class, he never spoke. If I asked, Paul, how was your weekend? He would panic. He would think, was it good? Is it? Was it? He would sweat. He would say nothing.
Poor Paul. He sounds like me.
Then there was Bella. Bella was messy. She didn't like homework. She didn't know the difference between an adjective and an adverb. But Bella was brave. She worked in a coffee shop. She talked to every customer. She would say, hello, you want coffee? Big or small? You like milk? I give you milk.
I give you milk. It sounds cute.
It was grammatically terrible, but she smiled, she connected. 1 year later, I met them both. Paul was still studying. He could write a perfect essay, but he couldn't order a sandwich without shaking. Bella was the manager of the coffee shop. She had an American boyfriend. She was joking in English. Her grammar was still only 80% correct, but she was living in English.
Bella won the game.
She won because she realized that language is a tool for connection, not a test of intelligence. Jack, do you want to be Paul, perfect and lonely, or Bella, messy and happy?
I want to be Bella. I want the boyfriend. I want the connection.
Be Bella. Embrace the mess.
Okay, I'm inspired. But give me a practical plan. How do I study now?
We use the Pareto principle, the 80-20 rule.
Break it down.
80% of your time, input and output. Listen to podcasts like this one. Watch movies. Talk to yourself. The narrator technique from day 4. Talk to people, even if you use caveman words. 20% of your time, grammar study. When you notice a mistake repeatedly, look it up. When you don't understand a sentence, check the rule.
So grammar is for troubleshooting, not for learning.
Exactly. Do not read the manual before you drive the car. Drive the car, crash it, then read the manual to see how to fix the bumper.
That is a dangerous driving strategy, but a perfect language strategy. I feel lighter, Helen. I feel like I can breathe.
You look lighter. The grammar police uniform didn't fit you anyway.
So for day 6, what is the mission? How do we prove we are brave?
Mission Day 6, the bad grammar confession.
I love this, Helen.
I want you to go to the comments. I want you to write a sentence about your biggest dream. But you must write it fast. Do not check a dictionary. Do not check Google Translate. If there is a mistake, leave it.
We want to see the mistakes. We want to see the ugly houses.
I will personally heart every comment that has a mistake because that mistake proves you are taking action.
And tomorrow, day 7, the grand finale.
We are going to take everything we learned, vocabulary, listening, confidence, grammar, and build your forever fluency roadmap.
You don't want to miss it. Smash that like button if you are Team Bella.
See you tomorrow, my brave cavemen.
Jack say bye.
See you soon. Bye-bye.